Good afternoon. Today we will be discussing the Emergency Disaster Relief Ready program that we, the founders, Scott Jones, Sarah Thompson, and Michael Eckrich, will be presenting. So we would like to create an emergency services and disaster recovery supply station at the LaGrande Airport in Union County, Oregon. Our problem we're solving, as many of you may know, wildfires have riddled the United States and specifically the Pacific Northwest. We want to strive to provide the necessary fuel and equipment to keep the emergency responders and public safe. Our solution and our goal is to provide the emergency supplies needed for the responders that can be purchased and provided by contract. This would alleviate pressure on the local stores, emergency services, and fuel supplies. Our mission statement for our business is to provide mission-critical infrastructure and supplies for emergency situations. Our objective is to be the premier supply company in Union County, Oregon for disaster preparedness and recovery. We will accomplish all of this by providing additional external fuel tanks and supplies at the Union County Airport. The fuel supply station will provide aviation-grade fuel and diesel fuel that will be utilized by contract as reserves to maintain appropriate fuel levels at mission-critical locations. The supply portion of the business will provide private businesses and government agencies with specific provisions and equipment for natural disasters such as fires, floods, and earthquakes. We will provide complete logistical support for up to 6,000 people and will include mobile cooking facilities, command centers, hygiene accommodations such as showers, toilets, and laundry, lighting systems, water containment and removal, radio communication systems, generator and power systems, public briefing center, the many tents that are needed for emergency situations, various shelters, and more. We will also provide an array of products for distribution such as water treatment, dried food provisions, cooking, personal lighting, and medical supplies. Our biggest competition that we foresee is simply proving ourselves as a solid and reliable option that government agencies can use for their emergency situations. Once we are able to prove our services and we make our name known on the current list of providers, we aim to rise to the top of the list for providing the utmost in service and quality, far superior than other private contractors currently providing only one service, rather than multiple facets that we will address. For the sales channels, we will start by providing this business idea to the LaGrande Airport and then market ourselves to other smaller airports in the Pacific Northwest and then move throughout the United States. This is our team and the key roles that each of us play. Scott Jones is the logistics manager. Sarah Thompson works in sales and finance. Michael Eckrich is our marketing manager, and our board member is Mitch Mund. Here you can see some of our financial projections that we have. You can see our revenue for 2017 through 2021 averages out at $9.7 million. Our expenses and costs from 2017 to year 2021 ranges from $8.4 million down to $8.1 million. And our profit for 2017 through 2021 ranges anywhere from $1.3 million to $1.6 million. The current status of our company, currently we are in the feasibility and analysis stage. The priority business model of the company is to be the premier supply company for the Union County area. The benefit of the location will be our immediate ability to send supplies via the ground or air almost immediately to any location worldwide. We are currently seeking $1 million for funding. We will use the funds to start the process of purchasing tanker trucks, mobile hygiene stations, and mobile command centers. So in summary, I'd like to read you our mission statement. That is to provide mission-critical infrastructure and supplies for emergency situations. And again, our company objective is to be the premier supply company in Union County, Oregon for disaster preparedness and recovery. We will accomplish this goal by providing additional external fuel tanks and supplies at the Union County Airport with the option of growing our business beyond the Pacific Northwest and throughout the United States. The fuel supply station will provide aviation-grade fuel and diesel fuel that will be utilized by contract as reserves to maintain appropriate fuel levels at mission-critical locations.